So if you have been hearing about Claude Code and thinking, it's cool, but I'm not technical, this video is for you. You don't actually need to know coding to use it. Claude Code, built by Anthropic, is one of the most powerful AI tools available today. You can use it to build apps, market them, do research, and so much more. So in this full beginner course, we are going to discuss first, what is Claude Code? Secondly, how to install it. Third, how to use step by step to build any application website using Claude Code. And we'll also cover a real world example where we will build a website from scratch using Claude Code. So make sure you stay all the way till the end because I'm going to show you a powerful workflow that can literally replace hours of manual work. Make sure you bookmark this video and subscribe to the channel so that you can come back and refer it again. Now, if you don't know me, I'm Avdesh Saxena. I have 20 plus years of experience building large applications for Fortune companies. And for past few years, I have been researching on AI and sharing my knowledge on this channel. So now let's get into it. So what is Claude Code? So Claude Code is like hiring a technical co-founder who understands everything in plain English. Claude Code is powered by Claude, which is developed by Anthropic. And this is an AI agent which understands files, code base, instructions, and complex workflows. So it can read entire code base or project in one go, make changes to it, and do anything you would like by just talking to it in a plain English. In order to use Claude, first thing what you have to do is sign up with Claude. So just search for Claude Code in Google and then you'll find this Claude.ai. Go there. If you are with a free plan, just click upgrade. And then we are going to sign up with a pro plan. The free account does not provide access to Claude Code. Pro plan starting with $20 per month, or if you take yearly, you will have it $70 per month, or you can take this max plan, which is for $100 per month. But if you start using it, then it will provide enough value for you to pay for this $20 or $100 per month plan. It is like hiring multiple developers in one go, and it's very cheap. Once you have signed up with Claude or Claude Code, what you have to do is that install some kind of a IDE, integrated development environment. What it means is it's a place where you can connect Claude Code and do your development or research or whatever you want to do. Now you may wonder, hey, why are we using IDE? So the thing is, it provides a easy user interface to create code, do certain things. Otherwise, you'll end up working in terminal, which is not user friendly for many people who are non-technical. So to make things easy, we use this thing. And you can think of it like, for example, in your car, right? You have an engine. You can think this Claude Code like an engine. In order to operate this engine, you have structure in your car or other stuff. So that is what this IDE provide. Now the IDE which we are going to use is Visual Studio Code. Why? Because first, it's free, of course, and it is widely used by most of the developers. If you want, you can use other IDEs like Cursor and other options available. So let's go ahead. Just type VS Code and then we can go there. I have a Mac. I'll download it. Now I've started the install for VS Code. Let's give it a few minutes. So once you have installed Visual Studio Code, it'll initially appear something like this. So what we have to do is install the extension or collect this with Claude Code. So in VS Code, you come here and then you search for Claude. The first item which is coming, 4.8 million install, this is the extension which we need to install. So last publish. Okay. So we have installed this extension. Now this kind of, when you press this logo, you can open the Claude Code here. Provide access to the Visual Code. So first what we have to do is connect Visual Code with Claude. Let's click on this, open it. We have already signed up with Claude Code, so let's do that. Let's authorize. So now we have connected our VS Code ID with Claude Code, and now we can type here and do pretty much anything. Okay. So first, let's open one of the project or folder. I have opened one of the folder, this thing where I have some projects and all. What we will do is, if you want, you can click on this, go through the code on and all. But what we will do is ask Claude Code, can you analyze those books and tell me what it is? Now what I'm doing is I'm asking Claude Code to analyze one of the code which I'm having. It is doing that. Let's give it a few minutes. Claude Code has done analyzed this thing, and it is telling me that what this is. It's a platform for short-term rental managers. This is the tech stack which is used in this program. What can it do? These are some of the core modules. What kind of architecture is used and everything. So this will come very handy if you're working on the code which is already available, somebody else built it, or you built it earlier and you want to make modifications. So that's step one. Let's try to see how this code looks in our local machine. So I just asked Claude Code to kind of run this. Can you run this on my local machine? And now it's asking me a question. So for now we are going to start saying yes. Now it is trying to install some of the required softwares which it needs to run this program. So that's why we are going ahead and saying yes. Click this and see. Oh, voila. So now this app is actually running in our local host. So we have renamed it as leadhost.ai. So now I can make changes in my local, see how they look, and then I can go ahead and deploy it in cloud or wherever I want once I want to share it with public. So this is cool. Now let's try to build a website using Claude Code. So for that, first what we'll do is open a new folder where all the files will exist. So I have created a folder here, demo website Claude. I'll open it. After that, you can provide your prompt here. So I've already created a prompt, and what we are going to do is create a website similar to Airbnb.com. So what I'm saying is clone a website, Airbnb.com, and make sure the design layout looks good. I've provided some instructions for which language or technology to use, but you don't need to provide it. And that's it. Now let's see what it's doing. So now it will ask you certain things. You can just hit yes. You want to fetch this URL? Yes. So now it is creating different files which are needed and the website structure. Okay, so Claude Code has done its job. So it has created a clone of Airbnb for us. What it has done is created these files, index, script, server, and all these things. And it is providing us options how you want to view. So let's see. Let's tell it. Can I preview using option 1? So let's let it run this command. Okay, so this is the website which Cloud Code has created for us, and it looks awesome. Like it looks pretty much like Airbnb. Obviously, we can change these naming and all. So if you are Airbnb host or short-term rental host, what you can do is use Cloud Code to create a website for your properties and get direct bookings or whatever you want. So this was one example, but you can actually clone it and create any website you want. So thanks for staying all the way to the end. So some of the free resources which you can use, and I have dropped a link below. First is a complete course on AI agents, which will help you in learning AI agents and how you can automate most of your tasks. And another resource is like major tips and tricks related to ChatGPT. It'll help you in using ChatGPT and other LLMs to fullest. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any of the upcoming episode. And you can also check out our previous videos to learn about some of the AI coding and AI agent tools.